Welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 8 divided by 8 divided by 8 divided by 8. Which option is correct? A, B, or C? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression, we have three divisions, and as we know, when we have more than one division in one expression, we have to work from left to right. So first this division, then this division, and finally this division. 8 divided by 8 gives us 1. So we have 1 divided by 8 divided by 8. 1 divided by 8 is the same as 1 over 8. And 1 over 8 divided by 8. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we can write 1 over 8 times 1 over 8. And this is equal to 1 over 64. So our final answer to this problem is just 1 over 64. Okay? So therefore, option A and option B are not correct. We have just option B, 8 to the power of negative 2. And this is equal to 1 over 8 to the power of 2. And this is equal to 1 over 64. So therefore, option B is correct.